Alright, it is departure time and it looks like it's going to clear up for us. All the clouds broke up, seeing blue skies. Let's go ahead and get on the road. The adventure continues. Okay, time to hit the highway. The sun is just starting to peek through the trees, warm things up a little bit. Wow, this was a quiet, peaceful camp. There was a couple camped down at the end there, but I didn't hear from them at all. No one really came in to use the boat ramp either. I only saw one hunter out when I was riding my mountain bike. This ATV. It is time to roll. Alright, we're at Tettegouche State Park here in Minnesota at the North Shore of Lake Superior. I want to say hi real quick, Wiley.
Hello.
Wiley's showing me around. He's from the area. Wandering Wiley on YouTube. We met in Arizona at the caravan. So we're going to do a little hike. It is breezy but beautiful. So we're going to get out and do this. It's actually warmed up quite a bit. Quite comfortable. I'm actually overdressed. I really don't need this heavy coat. But it is pretty spectacular here. This is what I've heard about on the North Shore here, Superior. These cliffs going right into the water, tree line right up to the edge. Pretty spectacular. And it's just baffling how big this is. It just looks like the ocean. Amazing. It's pretty breezy up on this point, but you get some really nice views. Okay, we are on Shovel Point here. It is a spectacular view of the shoreline. You can come out to these points and look back. Pretty fantastic. Alright, I was seeing these anchors here and I noticed a couple climbers, so we came out to the point. You guys are actually doing it. Have you been over yet?
Yeah.
Right on. That's some serious adventure. I'm not even going to get close, but these guys are rappelling down this side. Right on. Have fun, guys. Okay, I guess this is officially Shovel Point here. They've got a little point to come out to. You can kind of see around both ends. A little bit this way. And then this cove right here is super pretty. And you know, the wind is kind of coming and going. It's just lightly breezy right now, but those gusts pick up like just about now. Okay, here's my chance to test the waters at Lake Superior. Oh, it's a little frigid. Okay, we're still in the what is it again?
Tettegouche.
Tettegouche. I was gonna say Tettegouche. Tettegouche State Park. This is the Baptism River. Beautiful.
Beautiful northern Minnesota.
This drops right into Lake Superior. We were just down on the beach there. Pretty bridge up here. Oh, we made it up to that bridge that we were just looking at. Get a nice view off the side of the bridge of the Baptism River. It's a nice little outcropping here and dropping right into Lake Superior. Alright, we took a little side detour to Wandering Falls. Pretty decent sized waterfall here. There's Wiley over there. Look at that. Okay, next on our little excursion here is Gooseberry Falls State Park. This is actually before the park we just came from. So it's along the Gooseberry River here. Big bridge. We're gonna go up to the falls. All right, we made it to the middle falls here. Pretty spectacular. This place is pretty awesome. Gooseberry Falls State Park, Minnesota. Well, here we are a little ways down on Lake Superior. This is Duluth off in the distance here. I'll tell you what, this is a pretty magnificent sight. It's just so grand. It really does feel like you're on the ocean. All right, today we're out for a little rainy day excursion. We're not letting the weather stop us. Wiley's again giving me a little local tour here. So we're at the, what is this again, tower?
Enger Tower.
Enger Tower. It's kind of one of the high points of Duluth, so we're going to be able to get a good view, venture up in the tower, and see what it looks like. Why can't cars drive? Still goes up. How many flights we go? There are multiple levels to this. I keep thinking we're at the top, but it keeps going. Nice shot of the trees this way. All right, we are at the top level. This is pretty cool. You get a nice 360. Lake Superior here. Let me clean my lens. Alright, it is a little breezy and cool up here, so we got our view. We're going to head down and do some more exploring. Again at the shoreline of Lake Superior, the lake that seems like an ocean. I know I keep saying that, but it's true. All right, it is a chilly morning this morning. I'm gonna have to get used to these cold mornings here. But I wanted to give a big thank you to Wiley, Wandering Wiley. You've been a great host. Thank you, man.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Up.
Yeah, we got some good hikes in. The weather cooperated with us on the North Shore there. So I'd say it was a success. I appreciate you being my tour guide.
Well, I appreciate you showing up.
Right on, man.
Definitely enjoyable.
Like I say, till we meet again.
Yes, sir.
Right on.